cold outside in the state of Maryland. So today in the state of Maryland, showing 35 degrees sunny, and on the middle, you'll see it's going to be 26 degrees Fahrenheit sunny. Feels like 17 degrees, wind 6 miles per hour, visibility 9.9 mile, barometer 30.62 inch, humidity with nearly 60%, and finally with the dew point showing nearly 10 degrees. So with the Doppler radar, which is the radar observation, there won't be no snow, no rain, and none of that, because it's showing it's very empty and quiet. And as you can see here, so yeah, the radar observation showing it's very empty and quiet, including Maryland and Delaware. We're going to skip the radar forecast and moving on to precipitation. So as you can see here on the precipitation is in the ocean water side. So it's going to be for today and even tomorrow. The precipitation is really moving. And as you can see here, Michigan is going to be moving precipitation. It's almost approaching towards Indiana. And it's going to be going through around North Carolina and even South Carolina. But, however, in the state of Maryland where you live, there won't be no precipitation, and Delaware for today and tomorrow. But precipitation is in Michigan, South Carolina, and North Carolina. And as you can see here, the satellite with the futurecast, satellite is in New York. So it's in Michigan, Chicago, a little bit in Indianapolis, but it's quiet and empty, including in the state of Maryland. But satellite futurecast is in Michigan and New York, even a little bit around North Carolina. And it's going to be around Chicago, and that's it. So as usual, the direction of the satellite is in the northbound side and the eastbound side. So mostly the satellite is in the right side of the ocean. Moving on to clouds. Clouds is in the state of Maryland and even around the state of Pennsylvania, New York. Clouds are definitely going to be moving in the United States. So I'll say it again so you'll be fully understand. Clouds is in Maryland and Delaware. Even around Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina. Pennsylvania, like I've been explaining to you guys earlier, New York, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Detroit, Chicago, Indianapolis, Illinois, Kentucky, and Tennessee. So mostly with the clouds, it's going to be in the United States, and as well as in the state of Maryland and state of Delaware. Clouds are definitely going to be moving around the northbound side and mostly on the eastbound side. If we combine it, northbound is really moving on the clouds for today and tomorrow. So Maryland with the clouds is going to be moving for just today, and clouds are going to be moving as well tomorrow. So temperatures are around the 50s and the 30s. But we're on more than 20 degrees. But even though it's going to be around the 30s. So as well, in Maryland, temperatures are going to be on the blue stuff around the 30s and sometimes on the 50s. It'll be on the 40s, but guess what? Mostly, it'll be on the 30s, as you can see here in the state of Maryland and state of Delaware. 30s on the dark green. And even around the blue stuff around 15. So let's say, ladies and gentlemen, the dark blue one is going to be on the 20s. Other than that, it will be on the 20s in the state of Maryland and state of Delaware. The other United States, as you can see here, New Hampshire, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Michigan, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina. It'll be cold forecast. So it's going to be cold everywhere in the United States. So in North Carolina and South Carolina, it's showing the dark green around the 30s and the 50s. Mostly on the 30s on the temperatures around North Carolina and South Carolina. Virginia and West Virginia is definitely going to be on the 15 on the blue stuff. it'll be around temperatures around for today on the 30s, and as well tomorrow it'll be on the 30s with the dark green and light green, but mostly dark green on the 30s. Kentucky, Indiana, and Tennessee showing exactly the same thing around the 30s. Michigan is going to be on the blue stuff around the 15 and the dark green around the 30s. In New York City, it'll be around the exact same thing. It'll be 15 and 30s. It'll be on the 20s. And finally, Pennsylvania, it'll be on the blue stuff around -5 and 15. Temperatures below freezing. So in the state of Maryland, we're on mostly on the 20s. The only 30s we're going to get is in Ocean City. Yeah, take a look at the numbers. So everywhere in the state of Maryland, it'll be definitely going to be on the 20s. The only 30s we will have is in Ocean City. We're going to start off with Bel Air showing 22, Bell Camp showing 24, 23 degrees in Catonsville, 22 degrees in Chesapeake City, Chestertown around 24, Churchville showing 22, Columbia 23, Conowingo 21, Darlington 22, Dundalk 25, Edgewood 25 also, Elkridge 24, Elton 22, Ellicott City 24, Essex 25. Fallston around 23, 23 degrees in Frederick, 25 degrees in Glen Burnie, 22 degrees in Hagerstown, 26 degrees in Halethorpe, Happy Gray showing 23, 22 degrees in Jarrettsville, 25 degrees in Jesup, Joppatown showing 24, Kingville showing 23, Laura 25, same thing in Middle River, Nottingham showing 24, Owens Mills 24. Queenstown showing 24, Reynoldstown and Reisterstown showing around 24 and 21. Rising Sun 21, Riverside 24, Rosedale 25, Savage 23, Towson 25, Whiteford 22, White Marsh showing 25, Joppa showing 24, Northeast 22, Aberdeen and Aberdeen Proving Ground showing 23 around sunny, and finally around Annapolis around 25, and don't forget, Abingdon, 24. With the average high with more than 40 degrees, but it's going to be 46 degrees. That's nearly 50 degrees. Average low showing nearly 30 degrees. Record high showing more than 70 degrees, 2,000. Record low showing with the very freezing cold around -2 degrees, 1996. Average rainfall showing 2.76 inch. And don't forget, we have snow days around February. So day details. Expect sunny skies. The high will be 35. Temperatures near freezing. Night, the skies will be partly cloudy. The low will be 23. Temperatures below freezing. Sunrise around 7:08 a.m. Sunset 5:32 p.m. Moonrise 10:15 a.m. Moonset 11:37 p.m. Moonphase waxing crescent. Precipitation is showing 6%, humidity 28%, UV index 3 moderate, max wind around 7 miles per hour. Before we're moving on to the forecast, record snow around 18.54 inch 2010, average snow around 0.69 inch. Temperatures around with nearly 70 degrees 2008, record low showing 1 degrees 1996, average high around more than 40 degrees, and finally with average low around nearly 30 degrees. So today is going to be around 35 degrees, sunny, and then tomorrow it will be around 44 degrees, mostly cloudy. So here's the rest of the forecast as always. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then around Valentine's Day, around Monday, the next Monday it will be Valentine's Day, and Tuesday. Alright, so we're moving on. So Tuesday is going to be around 46 degrees, sunny. Wednesday is going to be around 45 degrees, sunny. Thursday, it'll be 51 degrees, mostly sunny. Friday, it'll be mostly cloudy, around 51. 49 degrees on partly sunny around Saturday. Sunday, it will be 30 degrees, partly sunny. And then Monday, around Valentine's Day, it will be 36 degrees, mostly sunny. Tuesday, it will be 39 degrees, sunny. So we're going to break it down. So tomorrow, Friday, it will be around mostly cloudy. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Tuesday, it will be definitely going to be on the sunny. And then Thursday, and then Monday, it will be mostly sunny.